Hi everybody, this is Dustin from Guys with Games. Today's game is called Kindergarten Rock and Roll. This is for kindergarten classes, beginner level classes where the kids don't know any English. Okay, so at our school we teach question of the week, so I would get my kids to practice the question of the week. I would get two kids to stand up, I would get them to rock, paper, scissors, and then the winner would get to go first. The loser is gonna have to ask the class or ask that one student the question of the week. Who are your English teachers? My English teachers are Dustin and blah, blah, blah. There's two elements to this game, the rock and the roll. The kids are gonna have to paper, scissors, stone, and they're gonna have to roll a dice. So you gotta make sure that you have a dice. Okay, because the kids don't understand a lot of English, I always play by example. I show them by example. I play with my co-teacher first. I don't even try to explain the game to them. I just show them, and then they usually pick it up pretty quick. So Carson and I are just gonna start playing right away. Okay, so I'll be on this team, you're gonna be on this team. And this is exactly what I would do with the kids, with my co-teacher. If I have a co-teacher, and if I don't, then I'll just do it by myself. Okay, so I'll be like, 2,000. Carson, how much do you wanna bet? If you bet 100 and you are the winner, you plus 100. If you bet 100 and you are the loser, you lose 100. Bye 100. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so how much do you want to bet?
500.
500. Wow, 500. Awesome. Okay, so now you have two places to put numbers. Okay, we're gonna paper, scissors, stone again. Paper, scissors, stone, stone, stone. Okay, you get another notch. Paper, scissors, stone. Yeah. Another notch. Paper, scissors, stone.
Yeah.
Wow. So out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you can pick 5 numbers.
I choose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so if he gets any of these when he rolls the dice, he's the winner. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 2. Okay, so winner, we plus. So everybody, what's 2,000 plus 500? 2,500. And then, next kid will go. Same thing, okay? How much do you want to bet? Okay, it'll be me, my kids. Oh, 1,000. Okay, so paper, scissors, stone, stone. Oh, I only get 2 numbers. I'm going for the 6 and the 2.
No, 6. No, 2.
2! 2! Okay, so I lose 1,000. So what's 2,000 minus 1,000? 1,000. So if the kids don't know any numbers at all, you can play with smaller numbers, with 100 or with 10, whatever you want. But this game is just to entice the kids to ask questions, getting them to ask questions or to use any English whatsoever before they have a turn. And that's it.